cabin pressure, your oxygen mask will drop automatically. Pull the mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Place the provided oxygen mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure your own mask first before helping others. Next, the life vest. Put your head through the opening. Fasten the strap around your back and attach it in front. This should never be done inside the aircraft. If necessary, more air can be added to your life vest by blowing into the tubes. Contact with water will automatically switch on the light. The life vest is located under your seat. Details of all safety instructions are in the Safety On Board card, which is kept in the seat pocket. Please read this card carefully prior to takeoff. Please open your window blind, adjust the
safety, we recommend you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. If you wish to collect your personal belongings from the luggage bins, please be careful as luggage may have moved during takeoff and will fall out. And may I once again remind you that it's not allowed to use a power bank on board. Keep the power bank in hand reach at all times. From this moment on, you can use the anti-power supply again, but please keep an eye on your device while charging. If the device produces smoke, gets hot, or shows signs of damage, immediately alert the cabin crew member. For now, sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight to Amsterdam. And dear passengers, as soon as we have more information about your connecting flight, we will pass it on to